Hello everyone, this is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share with you some job update. Before that, please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friend and like this video. And please watch full video. Let's I am share first video with you. This is for data engineer and data analytics domain. And location is Bangalore, Karnataka and salary is 15 LPA to 17 LPA per year. And this is full-time opportunity for fresher and regular permanent also. This is job job description and all, and key responsibility is this, and requisite 4 year of experience also he mentioned here. What if you are fresher you apply, because here he also mentioned if you are fresher then if you are also apply. Okay, our next job is for people analytics and analyst. This is for Gurugram, Haryana location, and this is your responsibility and all. And this is a requirement. You have knowledge of a strong knowledge of Excel and SQL, a skill Python and R required mainly. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is analyst marketing science. This is for Bengaluru location Karnataka and salary is 14K to 41K per month. This is full-time opportunity but flexible time. Qualification need work 1 year of experience he want to, and this is all mentioned here and all, and salary is this I have already said it, and the location is Bangalore Karnataka. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job for data analyst intern for Tamil Nadu location and also remote. This is full-time internship opportunity and salary is not mentioned here. What your responsibility is mentioned that understand the business scenario, work and all you can read here. And this is your about internship, and this is your hiring process. Step 1 process timing. Step 1 job posting of career page Tuesday, call for registration. Step 3 portfolio submission, evaluation process, interview or job offer. Okay, then you have got on board, accept your job offer and on board on Monday. Okay, and how to apply the job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job for senior data analyst and salary is 15 LPA to 25 LPA per year. Okay, and this is full-time opportunity and regular permanent. Okay, and a shift schedule, weekend availability, flexible shift and all mentioned here. This is your job description and job opportunity, and this is your required skill. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst intern for Gurugram Haryana location, and this is your qualification need 0 to 1 year if, and knowledge need SQL Python knowledge, basic SQL and Python. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job also for junior data analyst for West Bengal location, and salary is 12K to 15K per month, and this is also full-time opportunity. And this is your job description. You have basic knowledge of MS Excel. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job and last job is Power BI developer for Bengaluru Karnataka location, and salary is 1.8 L to 2.4 L per year. This is for internship, full-time fresher, and regular permanent if your if you work good. Thank you for